Hello everyone, welcome to Guru School's Training for Success. Myself is Vaibhav and today we are going to talk about RPA UiPath. Alright, so we will talk about like RPA UiPath certificate course here, right? So what are the features of our offerings here like we have listed here, right? So this is basically a instructor led free online training available with us, right? So here you people will get a live session, okay, the live instructor led training for the RPA UiPath, right? Then the next point is want if you want like a six-figure salary and get a real-time project experience, right? So this is the right place to join our course. Then what are the industries being served UiPath, right? So there is no industry in this globe, right, which are not going to use the RPA, right? But here I have listed a few of them, right? So it can be banking and financial, insurance, healthcare, manufacturing, retail, e-commerce, human resource, telecom, transportation, right? But there could be more industries as well, right? And what are the different types of job roles are available into the RPA field? So in RPA, we have variety of job roles are available like RPA developer, RPA tester, RPA business analyst, RPA support, RPA program manager, right? So these are the various roles are available for the RPA, right? And once you are done with your completion of the course, right, you will get a diploma certificate from the Guru schools. Then, before talking more about the RP and UiPath, right? I want to give the company overview for the Guru Schools, right? So, Guru Schools was founded with the aim of sharing, growing, and enriching the education, right? So, basically, we are into the trainings, right? And we are offering like a more than 20 plus skill sets, right? Then the Guru School Practice Center has set its roots in providing best in class education with a correct mix of dedication, efforts, direction, approach, and attitude. So, we have a certain uh, steps of we are following here, right? So that you people will get a right path to choose your career, right? And then we will guide you in terms of interviews, getting your resume preparation, right? So we'll guide you in terms of all the perspective, not only from the training perspective, right? And also at Guru School, we focus on career guided employment industry and our more focus on the placements, right? So here we are providing the IT training with the real time stimulated project experience and consulting the placement services. So it would help you people to get a right job into the US and Canada industries, right? Along with this, we also help towards vendor and end-to-end client interview preparation, ongoing project support up to the 6 month, right? And if you want, like we can extend that as well, right? Which help prepare towards working in America and Canada for corporate. So you will have the proper hands-on experience, right? You will have proper guidance regarding resume preparation. You will get a guidance related to the interview, right? So we'll groom you in all the aspects, right? So that is the speciality of the Guru School. So this is about Guru Schools. And now we will talk more about the six pillars of the Gurukul offerings, right? And that is a very unique features with the Gurukuls, right? So first thing, like we have like around 6 to 8 weeks of formal instructor-led free live interactive course specific IT training track using the Zoom meetings, right? So we are having around 6 to 8 weeks of formal instruction free live interactive course, right? After the completion of the course, you will get a diploma certificate that will have additional value into the market, right? Then we will guide you in terms of resume preparation, right? For example, like you have to apply for particular jobs, right? What are the projects we have to mention? What are the skill set? we have to add there, right? What the keyword should get covered, right? So we'll guide you in all the aspects. Then we'll guide you in terms of vendor interview, coaching, preparation, client interview, and also we have the job assistance as well, right? Because we have a partner with a lot of organizations, and we will give the lot of jobs from those organizations, right? And also project placement and ongoing project support for up to 6 months you will have. So as soon as you join any organization, right, it might happen you can get some difficulties while performing your day-to-day job, right? So we have considered that point as well, and we are going to provide the 6 months of ongoing project support as well. In case we have to extend it, yes, we can do that as well, right? So this is basically the 6 pillars offerings from the Guru schools. Now we will move to the RPA. Like, what is RPA, right? So RPA is a robotic process automation. It will automate the day-to-day task which the people are performing, right, while working their jobs, right? And what do you mean by robotics? So robotics means those are the entities which will mimic the human actions are called as a robots, right? So whatever the task currently being done by the human, the same task can be replicated with the help of robots. So instead of human, the robots will perform that particular task. And the process, so process means any meaningful process. Okay, suppose you are working on Excel, then you will put the data into the SAP ERP, right? And they will extract the data, will put into the database, right? So any process, right, which is we are doing on a daily basis, right, it's a repetitive in nature, right, it's called as a process. And automation, so automation is not something new word, right? So any process which is done by the robot without the human intervention, it is called as a automation. So this is about the RPA. Now we will talk more about Guru School's RPA UiPath training contents, right? So we have around like 15 plus modules are here, right? Starting from the very basic, right? Then we'll go to the intermediate level and we'll go to the advanced topics, right? So these are the topics we have mentioned here. And during our training, we will cover at least 15 plus live scenario, right? Which will help you people to get more insights about UiPath, its capability, right? And also will take at least 3 to 4 projects into the RE framework as well. So RE framework is one of the very core component in terms of UiPath, right? So here we have covered all the required training content from the industry point of view, like database automation, email automation, API automation, web automation, desktop automation, Citrix automation, right? Terminal automation, then UiPath orchestrator, UiPath apps, UiPath document understanding, UiPath testing, right? So we have included all the necessary contents related to the UiPath in our training modules, right? Then we'll move to the next slide. Who can learn the UiPath, right? So a lot of people are coming to us and they are asking these questions to us like, I don't have the programming knowledge. Can I learn the RPA? Definitely. Okay. Definitely, because here we are not going to write a line of code here, right? We already have the activities or actions in built into this tool. We have to just use those activities and actions, and we have to build our automation, right? And the next point is, I'm a fresher, want to start my career with the latest technology in the RPA market. Will I get a job as a RPA developer? So as we discussed in the previous slide, right? Not only the jobs are available for RPA developer. So here we have varieties of job roles are available, like RPA business analyst, RPA project manager, RPA solution architect, RPA test engineer, RPA support, right? So definitely there are a lot of job roles are available into the market. Okay. and then we'll move to the next point. I'm working on a old technology. Is RPA will help me to upskill as per the market requirement, right? Because if you see, like for example, mainframe or any other legacy technologies, right? So currently, like there is no demand for such technology. Also, a lot of candidates are coming to us. They are having some gap, 4 year, 5 year, 6 year, right? Because of any of the reason, and now they want to kickstart. Uh, their career into the software industry, right? So already a lot of people uh, have transformed their career into the RPA, right? And the last but not least, does RPA offer better growth and package? Definitely. There is a no question about it, right? You can ask your friend, colleagues, relatives, right? And also do the Google search also, right? So for right candidate, there is no constraint in terms of package and growth into the RPA field, right? So this is about who can learn the RPA. Then introduction to the UiPath, right? So UiPath is one of the leading market leaders into the RPA tools, right? This tools is used to automate the repetitive rule-based tasks which offer by using the drag and drop functionality. And if you go and see the Gartner report, so Gartner is one of the famous like agencies. They are doing the survey of tools and technologies into, right. And if you go and see the Gartner Magic Quadrant, right, for the RPA, so UiPath is the number 1 tool there, right. And it is an enterprise computing platform dedicated to automating the business processes, right? So not only the business processes, right? So what are the process which are like repetitive in nature, rule based, those processes we can automate. And it's a UI having easy to understand, right? You will love to automate such tasks, right? So overall here we will get a great user experience from the automation point of view. So this is about UiPath. And the next slide will go why the industry want to use the RPA, right? What are the advantages of the RPA, right? So first one is the increased productivity. As a human, right, we are working for 8 to 10 hours, right? Within that also we'll take tea break, coffee break, lunch break, right? We'll go week off, we'll go for a vacations, right? Maybe Diwali vacation, Ramadan vacation, Christmas vacation, right? But that is not the case with the robots. The robots will be available 24 by 7, 365 days without any break. And also there is a tremendous difference between the productivity, right? If the humans are working for 8 to 10 hours and the robots are working for 8 to 10 hours. Next one is improved quality assurance, right? So while performing our day-to-day task, right, the humans can do the mistakes, and that might be the costly mistakes from the organization point of view, but that is not the case with the robots. The robots will be available 24 by 7, 365 days without any break, basically. And also it will give you accurate results each and every time and forever. So this is also one of the major advantage the industry are looking for. And third one is a better management capability, right? So it having a centralized cloud platform from where we can monitor the bots, right? If the management want to see how many machines are occupied, right? What are the process are currently running, how many pass, how many are failed, right? So all the statistics we can get from this UiPath cloud. And the last but not least, coding knowledge, right? So here we required very limited coding knowledge, or I can say we required a logical knowledge to implement the RPA solution. So anyone, right, who having like little logical knowledge, right, they can implement the RPA solutions. So this is about RPA advantages, right? And now we will show you. Okay, so now we will talk about the salary, right? The RPA developer salary, right? So you can see for RPA developer, right, in the United States, they are getting more than six-figure salary, right? So this is the some statistics I want to show here, right? And now if you see the how many jobs are available into the RPA developer, right? So you can see I'm into the Glassdoor, right, and you can see the last week statistics basically. So here we have a lot of jobs or roles are available, right? So RPA is demanding nowadays, and right? There is a high demand in terms of uh, the different types of job roles into the RPA, right? And now we will go and see like how many companies they are using the like RPA UiPath, right? So all the top Fortune 500 companies, right, uh, are using the RPA UiPath. If you want to go and see, right, we can go to this UiPath website, and here I have selected the location as a United States. So you can see here, right, around like more than maybe like 300 or 400 companies, right, they use to RPA UiPath, right? So this is the future technology, and there are very good demand are available in all of the organizations, right? So this is about RPA UiPath, right? But still, if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, right? Please feel free to contact the Guru Schools, right? And here, like I have listed the email ID is inquiries at directguruschool.com, trainings at guruschool.com. We have the LinkedIn page as well. So please do visit our LinkedIn page. At the same time, visit our website as well, www.guruschools.com, right? So that's about RPA UiPath. So thanks everyone for watching this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.